The Tineco Pure ONE A90S is a powerful cordless vacuum cleaner built for fast, smart, and effortless whole home cleaning. With strong suction and intelligent sensors, it handles pet hair, dust, and debris on both carpets and hard floors with ease. It delivers up to 270 AW of powerful suction, capturing fine dust and large debris in seconds. Whether you're cleaning daily messes or deep dirt, it gives consistent performance that saves time and effort. The upgraded 3D Sense Master Brush combines dust detection, edge detection, and floor type recognition. It automatically adjusts cleaning power based on the surface and dirt level, so you get maximum efficiency in every pass without manual switching. An advanced clogless system helps the vacuum handle larger debris smoothly. The smart design reduces blockages and keeps airflow strong. The 180-degree foldable tube lets you clean under furniture without bending, making cleaning more comfortable and less tiring. A wide 150-degree green LED headlight reveals hidden dust that you normally can't see. Even ultra-fine particles become visible across a larger area, helping you clean deeper and avoid missed spots. With up to 105 minutes of runtime in eco mode, you can clean the whole house on a single charge. No constant recharging, no interruptions, just continuous cordless convenience. The Tineco Pure ONE A90S is a smart choice for anyone who wants powerful suction, longer runtime, and intelligent cleaning technology in a lightweight cordless vacuum.